Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing very well. So in today's video I thought I would share some tips of how to make your home smell beautiful all the time. So smell is often called humans' most powerful sense, and I definitely agree with that because different smells can make you feel a certain way. So it can take you back to a happy childhood memory, it can make you feel relaxed. Like, I just think it is really important. So if you are coming home or if you're having guests, then I think when you open that door and it smells good in your home, then it's just going to make you feel better, it's going to make your guests feel welcome. So I do think it is an important part of your home, making it smell nice. This video is in collaboration with such a cool company. I am so excited that they asked me to work with them. They are called Asakuki, I hope I'm saying that right, and they specialise in essential oils and oil diffusers. As you may see, I do have one here that they sent me and I am genuinely obsessed with it. It smells incredible, it's so easy to use. I honestly think this is one of those products that I am going to use every single day. I have been loving it so far. There is so many reasons why these diffusers are really beneficial to have around the home. They can improve your sleep, so you can put whatever oils you want in and they obviously all serve different purposes. If you wanted to put like essential oils in there, it can really help you drift off. Like the scents of lavender and things are really well known for helping get a good night's rest. They create such a nice soothing and calm atmosphere. They also have all different cool colours, so that also helps to sort of set the mood. And you also have a timer on the side as well for however many hours you want to have yours on for. They're also known to be good for helping your immune system, for keeping your skin soft because the air's not dry. There's just so many benefits of them, and all the different combinations of oils that you can put in them, depending what sort of atmosphere you want to create. The different scents is just amazing. They sent me some really gorgeous sets that they do that I will link all down below. I've got like a fruity scent set. It's got guava, strawberry, green apple, passion fruit, pineapple and fig, all those different oils. This is some of the oils that I've got in at the moment, and what I really love and I found really useful is that they come with a whole list of little DIY combinations depending what you want to achieve. It tells you what to put with what, so that you can either have a romantic setting, one to improve confidence, reduce stress, good sleep, promote metabolism, antibacterial and relieve mind, or soothing allergic skin. So there is so many different little combinations. In this one, which is the Miss Floral, there is lavender, ylang ylang, jasmine, rose, cherry blossom and gardenia. And yeah, I have in mine, I thought I would put in the reduce stress scent. So I've got in mine gardenia and jasmine. I don't know if I'm saying that right with the gardenia. I hope I'm saying that right. It smells amazing. This is 100%, if you want your house to smell good all the time, this is definitely something that I would recommend everyone having. So gorgeous. I will link everything down below. There's so many different ones that you can choose from on the website, loads and loads of choice, but I will also just show you some other ideas that I have to make your home smell gorgeous all the time. One thing that you are going to need to do to keep your home smelling nice all the time is to empty your bins regularly. I also have been loving using this bin buddy that I just sprinkle in the bottom of my bin, and it just keeps a nice fresh smell all the time. Another thing that needs to be done so that there isn't any bad smells is making sure that the fridge is clean, because that is where a lot of smells can come from. So if you're opening the fridge and noticing that it is a little bit smelly, then yeah, make sure that is all clean and that there are no old foods that need to be thrown out. One of my favourite hacks to keep your shoes smelling fresh is to spray dry shampoo in them. You can also put dryer sheets, just pop them in the bottom of the shoes and it makes them smell lovely. I absolutely love using tumble dryer sheets all around the house, so I will just pop them anywhere. I'll put them in cushions, I'll put them in vases, because they just smell so nice. They've got such a strong scent and they're really good just to hide around the home. Also, the washing machine can be a source of bad smells, so try and keep on top of that. I try to wash mine once a month. I just use the Dr. Beckman cleaner. I have been finding so many uses for the Asakuki essential oils. They are 100% pure and natural, so there is no artificial scents in them. They all smell amazing. And I used some of them to make my own room spray. So you can add your favorite essential oils with some water and just put it in a spray bottle and spray it all around the house. Everything will smell gorgeous. There is not many things nicer than fresh bedding, especially if it has been dried outside on the washing line. That gorgeous fresh smell. So once a week I always make sure to do all of the bedding in the house, and it definitely helps to keep everything smelling lovely and clean. To get a nice scent as soon as the front door is opened, I like to keep a reed diffuser in the hallway. This is just one I got from Aldi and it is a really lovely scent, and like I say, as soon as you're opening the door to anybody, that smell is going to hit them. Just have to make sure that you remember to rotate these sticks every 8 to 12 hours so that you're getting the most of the scent. Another fantastic use of the essential oils is to make your own carpet powder. It's your very own natural shake and vac. It is literally bicarbonate of soda and some drops of your favourite essential oil, and just sprinkle it all around the carpet and then hoover it up, and all the carpets will smell really nice and all the bad smells will have been absorbed. To give your home a gorgeous smell and to make it feel really cozy and a nice atmosphere, I think it is great to fill your homes with lots of nice scented candles, even if you're not lighting them and you just have them in places where there is good ventilation, then they are going to smell gorgeous. Also, if you have any pets, then make sure that you wash pet bedding regularly, because that obviously holds a lot of smells. And a great tip is to put it in the dryer before you put it in the washing machine so that it can just remove all of the pet hairs. To give your laundry a little bit of a scent boost, then a great tip is to add some essential oils into your wash. I have been using some of the peppermint scented oil in my washing machine and it gives the clothes a really lovely smell. Also, adding some essential oils onto the inside of a toilet roll gives a really nice scent to the bathroom. It's a subtle smell. Anytime anybody uses the toilet roll, then they're going to get a nice whiff of that gorgeous essential oil. Make sure that you open your windows regularly. I mean, do this all weathers. Just get some air in the house. Nobody wants that stuffy feeling, so let all the fresh air in, even if it's just for half an hour or so. It'll just really make the house feel nice and fresh and get out any bad stuffy smells. One of my favourite quickest ways to make the house smell really good is to add some Zoflora to the sink with some boiling water. I always put my cloths in there as well. You could leave this overnight. The steam of all that gorgeous scent just goes all around the house. You could also do this with fabric softener and hot water as well. That is also a really nice scent. Another great hack is to add some essential oils. These essential oils are just amazing. Like, they can just be used in so many places. But adding some essential oils to a dryer ball before you put your washing in the dryer really helps to make it softer and also give it a lovely scent. Also, make sure that you are keeping your plug holes clean by adding some bicarb soda and some vinegar. That can just kill any of the awful smells that are coming from the drains. Just a cup of bicarb and add in some vinegar and it will just get to work like a little potion in the plug hole. And I tend to leave mine for a couple of hours and then just rinse down some boiling water just to clear the plugs, and they will smell lovely and fresh. So those are my tips to keep your home smelling gorgeous all the time, of course, along with my new addition to the home, my gorgeous diffuser. If you want any more information about Asakuki and all of their amazing 100% pure essential oils, then I have linked everything that you need to know down below. I really hope that you found this video helpful and that you enjoyed it, and I would love to see you again for my next one. Take care, everyone. Bye.